Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of kitchen items and appliances. In this video, we will discover 100 essential kitchen tools with images. Whether you are setting your kitchen, learning English or just curious, this video will help you a lot in mastering the related vocabulary. So let's get started. Food processor, kettle, toaster, coffee maker, hand mixer, microwave, stove, oven, blender, dishwasher, juicer, refrigerator, range hood, wet grinder, plate, pasta spoon, spoon, fork, butter knife, teapot, induction stove, stand mixer, lemon squeezer, knife, skewers, flour shifter, jar, potato masher, spatula, whisk, mortar and pestle, souffle dish, ladle, kitchen scissors, can opener, gas lighter, grater, spatula set, stock pot, saucepan, griddle, skillet, salad spinner, wok, ice tray, Storage container. Spice rack. Mixing bowl. Butter dish. Bowl. Cutting board. Pie pan. Baking tray. Cake pan. Muffin pan. Roasting pan. Colander. Corkscrew. Pressure cooker. Cookie cutter. Tongs. Pitcher. Pineapple corer. Water glass. Wine glass. Pizza cutter. Cooling rack. Steamer. Apron. Peeler. Rolling pin. Chopsticks. Steak hammer. Measuring cup. Oven glove. Oil dispenser. Garlic press. Cookware set. Slow cooker. Cutlery set. Sandwich maker. Waffle maker. Casserole. Sink. Apple cutter. Air fryer. Grill. Kitchen napkin. Cup and saucer. Deep fryer. Kitchen scale. Ice cream scooper. Dish soap. Scrub pad. Cake slicer. carving knife, bottle opener, zester, cake stand, vegetable rack or basket. Thanks for watching and subscribe for such more educational videos.